Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Vauxhall Mocha. This car comes with a really nice specification. You've got a CD radio along with USB and auxiliary inputs for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, front and rear parking aids. You've also got dual zone climate control and front heated seats. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months MOT with roadside assistance. Here at Howard's we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery or the traditional appointment in the showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.